Hello everyone, today I've got another Bikers in Trouble episode for you. It's good to learn from the mistakes of others, so check this out and ride safe.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Speeding at high speeds is quite risky and largely depends on the driver's caution and attention levels. Thanks to a quick response from the rider at some significant space, this time he made it.
Alright, only posting this because I thought this was funny. Before this, me and another car were just giving ourselves thumbs up, and we didn't drive reckless or anything like that, and this slingshot right here passed me nodding his head. I'm going speed limit, he flips me off right here. I'm going speed limit, so I just pass him, and then he's just making gestures like if I wouldn't have done that if he wouldn't have started. He's telling me to pull over right here to fight, I guess. He's just very angry for no reason. You see there, he's like saying like, oh, you drive like crazy, while he's like crossing my lane. I should just show him that he's crossing my lane. He takes off his belt right here, his seat belt, and his glasses, I believe, or puts on his glasses, I don't know. He'll stop. I'll shut up here so you can hear what he said.
You can jeopardize people's asses because you, and then your fucking plate, look at your plate. Yeah. Throw the up. I hope you wreck. Your mother.
He said my father and he says that he wishes I wreck. I'm just waving by. I'm being a troll at this point, just because why not? I'm having fun. It's a Saturday. It's a good day for me.
It was definitely an unlucky day for this rider, but thanks to the right gear he came out of it completely unscathed.
Yeah, he ran out there too, sitting here. He ran right in front of me. I'm okay though, I got a bunch of gear on. Yes, ma'am. Let me try to call somebody. I need to try to get the bike up.
back up. You tried to run? Okay.
You're cutting me off. I didn't do
See
anything.
my lights?
My camera's on,
where's your
dude.
plate,
What
Where's your plate?
What
Where's your
the
plate?
heck?
Where's your plate? Hey, let me see your license, please.
I have the plate with me.
Why's your plate not displayed?
I don't have the mount for it. I just got the bike right now.
Man.
I can show you. I have
Okay,
the
show me
plate.
the mount.
Right here. It goes here. I don't have the mount for it, bro. Why'd you cut me off? I wasn't trying to run.
Well, it looks like it to me. But you didn't stop when I have my lights going, right? I tell you to stop multiple times. That's okay.
My bad, man.
Let me see your license. We'll figure it out. Why isn't it mounted?
I just bought the bike. And
How long have you had the bike for? Here, take this.
You can check it. I have the registration with me.
That's not the question was, right? Like, where's your plate? It's not mounted, right?
Uh-huh.
You understand what I'm saying, yeah?
Yeah. But
By showing this clip, the biker wanted to showcase what dangers await riders when they become almost invisible to many drivers.
Whoa, buddy, watch out.
Legs out and then just cross your ankles, right?
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.